this is my review of the Lidl Parkside hot glue gun. It's the PNK 105B1. So I bought this because my current glue gun is starting to be a bit difficult to use. So this is my previous glue gun, Amtech 50 watt. The glue sticks are quite thick though. So what I noticed straight away with the Lidl one is that the glue sticks are a lot smaller. This is 100 watt, so low working temperature, 105 Celsius. Is it 100 watt? That's 5 watt. So yeah, that's fairly low. But with the thin glue sticks, they work a lot better. So yeah, this one's going to get chucked. Also, the button stops working, so you have to push the glue through. So the little one, here it is, 5 watts. You get the 6 glue sticks with it, 10cm glue sticks. They're the 7mm ones. You can get 100 of those off eBay for £4. Just going to check to see how much it was. It was $5.99, which is pretty cool. So yeah, these are the glue sticks, 7mm. It's quite small, the gun, but it's pretty good. So you just push the glue stick through the back and then press the trigger to feed it through. And what you find is on the first one, if you look at it, the first glue stick goes almost all the way in, so you just have to load up the second one and then that'll push the first one through. But yeah, so because there's not much weight to it, it's quite easy to knock over. Might be worth getting some sort of holder for that. Let's take a look. So it's got the 3-year guarantee. Low working temperature. Quick heat up time. It's 5 minutes to heat up. So we'll plug that in now. What would be really cool is if it had like a light on it to tell you when it's ready, but it hasn't. I guess the more expensive ones have got that. Shouldn't really be touching the nozzle when it's heating up. It's a hotline as well. All this little stuff, you get all the kind of like foreign writing. This looks possibly from Cyprus. If you look down here, the packaging, it's got like a Cyprus address. So I guess they just ship the stock around the world, depending on where it's selling and stuff. Craft and Arts, 1.5 meter cable, power cable, is pretty cool. What we do, we're going to test gluing these shells to a piece of wood. Let's have a look at the instruction book while we're waiting for that to warm up. Not that I really look at these, so look, just got the technical spec again. Yeah, not to leave it more than half an hour, otherwise it'll probably start melting the gun itself and the glue and everything in its way. Yeah, not much on it, but maintenance and cleaning. Right, let's see. It's not getting hot on that at all. Some information printed just on the side there. I'm just gonna, don't do this. Yeah, I can feel that warming up. Alright, let's just let that go. So yeah, the glue sticks, it'd be quite good if they did double length ones. If you're doing a lot of gluing, so you can just let the thing go. Yeah, quite like that if they did that, but obviously not. Alright, where are we at? Yeah, it's starting to come out now, you can see. Let me do a close up. There you go. Bit difficult to push it, so we're going to let it go even more. the hotter the glue, the longer obviously it takes to cool down. Alright, let's have another look. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, let's do some dabs of glue on these shelves. Push them. Yeah, it's nice to use. You get the glue everywhere a little bit, strands of it. Yeah, don't give these to kids, they'll probably end up burning their hands, fingers. Yeah, that's coming out nice. If you're in a major hurry for the glue to cool down, just stick it outside if you're in a cold climate. Or, I don't know, if it's not that big, stick it in the fridge. I'm not going to stick a massive plank of wood in the fridge though. Alright, so let's have a look. Yeah, that's solid. Do a little test to see how well they're stuck on. I'm just going to give them a few more seconds to set, but these are good things. You can see that's not coming off. They're good for cardboard as well. Cardboard glues really well. Just wondering what else I've got to glue. Give this a go. Just a bit of packaging. A squirt. Stick it together. Come back to that. Let's look at these shells. That is how tough this glue is. Look at that. Just barely get it off the wood. But to be honest, when it does come off, it comes off pretty much all together. So you're left with a pretty clean surface. So whether or not you could use this stuff for temporarily fixing things to a wall, tiles probably. Anyway, oh, that one wasn't so good. But yeah, the good thing is it does peel off items. This one. So again, that was pretty well stuck on. Another thing that would be pretty good is if you could recycle these glue globules, because they pretty much can be melted again. There you go, that's an idea. So plenty of strength, and also the glue is quite nice to peel off the surface. So for £6, 6 glue sticks that are 10 centimeters long, this is definitely worth a buy from Lidl's. When did I buy this? Because they don't have these things permanently in stock. I have seen them quite often though. This was purchased probably a week ago in the UK, so yeah, keep your eyes open for these ones. One thing about pulling the stick out, let's turn it off before I melt everything. If I can get the plug out. Yeah, sorry, the glue sticks. I would not do what I've just done and pull out, because the end is molten still. Although that is touchable.
10 centimeters long.
Yeah, let the whole thing cool down before we take the glue stick out. Also, getting that back in now is going to be a bit difficult, so you'd want to just turn it around, or you can cut that glue stick off at the end there, and then it'll allow you to feed that back in. So yeah, okay, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to rate, subscribe. If you've got any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.